In this video, I am going to show you how to create a root over rock planting, Seki Joju. This style can be achieved by choosing a tree that has long root system and washing away all the soil to expose the roots. If such a tree cannot be found, encourage the roots of your chosen plant to grow by placing it in a very long temporary container. You can use a PVC pipe until the roots reach the bottom. Then remove the tree from the pipe or pot and spread the roots over a piece of rock with an interesting shape. I am going to demonstrate this process. Remove the plant from the pot and rake out the soil. Wash the roots thoroughly using a low pressure water jet. Now the plant is ready to tie it over the rock. Prune the leaves to prevent the shock of repotting. Carefully spread out the roots by hand. Place them over the rock. Tie the roots firmly with the help of a copper wire. Choose a pot that is large enough to accept the whole rock and root system. Use well-drained soil with lot of coarse grit and sand. Press the rock complete with the roots into the soil, making sure that the top of the rock doesn't come above the level of the pot rim, and fill in with soil. Add a layer of Spagnum moss to the surface of the soil in order to keep the surface roots moist and soft. Following the planting of the whole rock into the pot, the project is now complete. But it will take several years for the roots to grow in close contact with the rock. Eventually, the rock and the roots around it will be exposed. So friends, that's it for today. I'll be back with some more informative videos. Till then, bye bye.